water, and flour.
So we're going to mix all these ingredients together.
Okay, so
remember guys,
flour.
Remember guys, that really needs to be slow. Okay, I'm going to do this one.
And if you need more, fill it all the way up to the top. If you need more, just fill it up with some more.
Yeah. I do my way. I do it calmly. Sorry guys. That's close, guys.
Whoa. This makes a mess a lot.
So I'm putting it in. Is this good? She said it's good. Okay, close this up.
Okay, now we're gonna pour it in. Now we switch. I'm gonna put some salt now. We have to fill it all the way up to the top.
Yep.
Then you add your salt. Now we're gonna put water.
Add water, friends. Ew, it looks like white slime. Gooey, fooey, shooey.
Now we have to do it with our hands and mix it all up.
I'm doing good, Mom. Just I'm not using my hands to mix it around.
This gets really, really sticky while you're mixing. But when you mix it all the way, it's not going to be sticky no more.
Huh? Look. Hey guys, I'm back.
We're back.
I'm done. We got Moochie.
Yeah, it was messy. It was fun. We got all dirty. Now it's time to put
the food coloring.
Separate it in 4.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I add my food coloring to it. I want to do the red first. I'm putting the food coloring in now. Oh yeah, can I look at mine?
Now I'm going to add my food coloring.
Add one more drop.
You gotta mix it a lot.
Oh my god, I'm so glad. Let's try the red. The red one is awesome. Okay guys, so we're going to be back with a fast pace or a fast forward video.
Yeah.
So right guys, we're going to start now.
We're back.
And the colors, red, blue, yellow, green. Remember guys, we need to put this away. You put it in the air bag or a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag so it can stay nice.
I got red, green,